Welcome back to another Cherokee tool tip. What I'm going to go ahead and show you is how to repair the black trim around your windows. And if you see, when the black trim comes loose or is in disrepair, you see the chrome shows through. Well, I'm going to show you how you can fix that, and I'm not using paint. If you look, I've already repaired a couple spots around the window, and it turns out really good. It's actually hard, plasticky. It's not RTV silicone. I'll show you what I use. I use a product called Plastic Dip, or some people refer to it as Tool Dip, and you can find it at your local hardware store or at your Ace Hardware. Okay, so this plastic tool dip is what I use. It's the same stuff that you use to dip your handles of your tools into to protect them, you know, give them electrical insulation and that type of thing. So let me open it up and show you what I do here. Just get an old brush. Put a little bit on your brush, and I already masked off the area, and it goes on kind of thin, so you just want to kind of build it up. And you may have to do a couple of coats. It doesn't self-level, so you want to try to don't be quite as messy with it. And there you have it. Chrome repaired with the black trim. So I actually did some repairs on the other side of my Jeep. And they turned out very well. There's a spot right here that I can touch up. Right here, in that corner, and in that back corner. And that's just from going off-road, and the leaves, the branches and so forth that rub against there and start pulling off that black coating around the chrome trim. And from a distance, you know, you really can't tell there was ever even a repair, and it just looks a lot neater. That's all I have. Thank you for watching. And I'll come out with some more tips on my Cherokee.